Hi guys, so I'm going to take my POMI brush here from our POMI Paradise set and I'm going to be using my palette. This is the Santi palette. Everybody keep on asking me, what palette is that, bruh? It's the Santi palette. I bought it at Fontana Pharmacy. I don't know, so the link of live. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with gold and I'm going to start out with this gold right here. Guys, I tore my nail. See this? It tore and it was bleeding underneath. I'm seriously considering just doing short nails only because this long nail life is not for me. So I'm going to use this gold right here. Hopefully this video doesn't go long because I really want to. I like doing videos and watching YouTube videos as I work, but when I'm rushing, oh, I'm going to pat. See that? See how beautiful that is? Some tap off and pat. What do I mean by tap off? I get some of the product on the brush, tap it, and some of the flecks comes off, and that prevents a lot of fallout on my eyes. I did a bride this past weekend. Oh my god. Oh well, by what day is this going to be up? I think it's going to be up on Christmas Eve. Oh my gosh, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. It's definitely the season for giving because I'm really in the Christmas spirit, but I don't got no money to fulfill such spirit. Because you know I'm doing POMI By lyrics, so all of the funds are there. Plus, you know, I got life, got my son, got my husband, got my brother, got my mother, my new sister-in-law. Shout out to Osana. So, oh, here's Jonathan. And by grandma's house, and should bathing Jonathan for me getting him dressed because we're going on the road today. I'm actually going to do some business today. This is nice and pretty. I wish I had brought my red lipstick and not like what I have. Alright, so that is that. For my crease, I'm going to take the crease brush here. And I think, should I go with a purple or a brown? Let me go with a brown. Oh, no, this color here. This like bricky. This bricky color right here. This orangey, brownishy, I don't know. But that bricky color. This bricky color. Then right where the eyeshadow ends, I'm going to just put this, and this is going to help to blend out the edges of the eyeshadow. Some people put this color down before it and they call it a transitional color. You can, that's not typically what I practice, so I don't do it like that. Aww. He hates putting on clothes, right? That's not how I typically work, so yeah. So that's that. I want my eyes to be cute but not overpowering because I'm telling you I have a specific job I need to do today, which you guys would have already seen yesterday. That's what I'm getting dolled up for. Should I do orange? I'm going to do orange in the crease as well. And I want to tell you guys a little tip how to work with palette like of this magnitude. If you look, they're all in little sections. So if you're a beginner, they're all into sections. So this is how we use them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all in quads, and here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? So that's kind of how you can probably work with it easier if you're a beginner. So yeah, just a little tip, because somebody had asked me, you know, how do you work with so much colors? I was like, oh, it's easy. They're in, you know, groupings. Which I guess only people who do makeup would probably figure that out. Not who do makeup, who is, you know, in the makeup game or whatever, would probably figure that out. I think I'm out of focus. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, okay, great. So next, I'm going to be going in with this brownie burgundy color over here. And I'm using the same brush. And I like using the same brush, especially when I'm blending colors together, because it helps the color to blend, because some of the colors is already on the brush. So you know, it works better for me. If I need the color to show up more, then I'll go ahead and grab a different blending brush. Alright, so that's that. Then I'm going to go in with the smaller brush like this, and I'm going to go in with this gold, this light gold right here. Oh, are you seeing that? Light gold right there. And I am going to be putting that. I wish I had brought my bigger mirror right in this little area and feather it over. You see, it gives a little hint, a little more gold. And I like this color better. but I'm gonna leave it as is. Then I'm going to grab this other color that's right beside this gold that I just used, this light yellowy goldy color, putting it right here. And the reason why I put color right there is kind of to finish off the look, because sometimes they don't have an eyeliner or any eyeshadow on your lash line. The lash line is where lashes grow from, but they don't have any eyeshadow or liner there. It looks naked and it kind of looks unfinished. Unless that's the kind of look that you're going for, then that's fine, but that's not what I'm going for, so boo boo, it's not fine. Aww. Then I'm going to line my eyes with a black eyeliner. 5 minutes. Oh my god. Alright, see what I'm talking about? It just kind of finishes off the look. Then I'm going to be going in with my pressed powder in NC50, and I've already used this on my brow bone, but I don't like how it's looking, so I'm going to just pat it, bring it down, you know, so it doesn't, so you don't see that line. You see that line? I don't want that separation, so I'm just going to blend it down into it to get rid of that line. See, for my eyes, I want to do another color, but I'm not quite sure which other color I want to do. Blue, no, Christmassy red. This palette doesn't have a red, it just has this color right here. Should probably do a green. Should I do green? Ooh, yes, honey, let's do green. I'm gonna do this bright green. And I realize these colors over here are more pigmented than the matte ones. So the matte ones, I use the white base for my purple locks gray hair. That tutorial I use the white base, the NYX pencil. So I'm going to, hopefully I'm in focus, use that green and just brush it on my lash line. Looking a little bit festive there. A little green. And as I said, the reason I'm doing this is to kind of finish off the look, you know. You don't have to do it if you're a beginner. You don't have to do it, but it's good to just practice. Alright, see, it looks a little bit festive. For my crease though, I'm going to go in with the black, and I'm going to go in with this side black because it's more pigmented than the matte side black. Same brush, I haven't brushed it off or none of that. I'm going to go on the outside. Notice for my eye type, I always start on the outside and I swirl, deposit most of the color when you swirl out here. Then I just take time to feather it over, but I always deposit most of the color on out here. See, because I have hooded eyes, and this is a technique I use for my brides too. And I say brides because that's mostly my clientele. I like doing this when I have this eye type. Like I did a bridesmaids and her eyes were like mine, but she had more up here. Oh my god, I lived when I saw her eyes. I was like, my girl, no homo. Your eyes is on fire, baby. Yes. See how beautiful that looks. And then my dress. Holy crap, my eyes matches my dress to a T. Oh my goodness. I'm literally putting my dress on the wrong side. I'm just like swirling my brush around because I'm mine. Then I'm just gonna go on the edges and blend that out a little bit. You know, you don't want it to be too over. You see that black? What the hell? Watch the hell, man. Watch the hell. To get this foundation brush to kind of remove whatever that is right there, because I don't know what that is right there. What's that? Demonic. It's so demonic looking. I think I want to, where's my brush? I'm going to flip the other green, flip the other side. I'm going to go in with the lighter gold because I really like how the lighter gold looks. See that? It looks like gold. It looks like liquid gold or pressed gold. Yeah, there we go. There we go. What else am I going to do? It's been 10 minutes, you guys. I'm going to add my lashes. I hope you guys don't mind this video that it's so long. I'm going to be using my what is the name again? Black Widow lashes, and I named it Black Widow because they kind of look like spider legs or not. So I'm going to apply these. So BRB. Alright guys, so on my lips I'm going to be wearing 650 Nude Embrace by Maybelline. You guys know how I feel about my nudes, and this one is making me feel some type of way. Yes, yes queen. Oh, oh nice. Oh girl. This is a gift by Beauty Box 876 on Instagram. My 30 inches for my 30th birthday. That company. I love it, but I want a little bit of shine. I want a little bit of shine, baby. I want a little bit of shine, baby. So I'm going to take my glazed lip paint by LA Girl. This is in Whisper. See? Just makes that nude pop. Yes, queen. Work. And I think I want to add this green glitter from NYX. This is in it says LC. It's in Crystal Jade. So I'm going to swirl it around to get some of the glitter out. And then put it on my lash line. For my glow, I am going to be putting on this. I'm going to be using the darker part, this side. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Yes, queen. Then the light side, right up under here. Yes. What am I using for blush? Then for blush, I'm going to be taking my City Color Quad in collection 3. I think it's called. I don't know. I think it's called collection 3. And I'm going to be using this peachy color over here. This one. Yeah. And that is what I did for my eyes, my lips, my lashes. I'm picking off the glue off the thing. I'm wearing my Black Widow and I did a lot. Next year, it's probably next week, I'm going to be doing a video dedicated on lashes, how to apply false lashes, individual, cluster lashes, strip lashes, and how to layer lashes and how to cut lashes and layer them up. So that I'll be doing, and yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial. I'm all done. I'm loving how this looks, and thank you so much, you guys, for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for the oh my god, I thought something fell. Thank you for the support over these years, and I truly appreciate you, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Happy Merry Christmas. Sorry, Merry Christmas. Oh, is it coming down? Yes. No.
This one I get it. I'll yield the birth of a hero. We go to party, me say. For unto us a child is born. We coulda never get a better gift. No, without Jesus, woulda never live. Yeah, hands up.